Hey guys, welcome to the next one. Alright, so this video is going to be all about what is launch jacking. Alright, so what is launch jacking? Launch jacking is the strategy of using the hype and buzz of the internet to get your promotion to the top of the search engines in order to promote that product in a short amount of time. Okay, so let's break down what that really means. You decided to promote a product. In this course, we're talking about digital products. So you go to Muncheye. You find a product that's coming out about 3 to 4 weeks ahead of time, and right now your job is to get all your promotion materials out into the search engines before that product comes out. So when the product does come out in 3 to 4 weeks and it goes live and people start searching for that product to find out what it is, who's got the best bonuses, who's got the best info, they're going to find all your stuff. Now you're talking about your blogs, your free websites that I'm going to show you how to build, and your videos on YouTube that you're going to rank. All that stuff is going to be out there ready before the product goes live. So when that product goes live, your info is right there in front with everybody else, and then you'll get a piece of those sales. So let me show you what that really means, or what that looks like. Okay, so this is my website. This is my review website. So I'm not going to go on how to build a blog in this course. I'll probably do another course on that, and there's a lot of tons of other videos for you to. I'll do another course on showing you how to put a blog together. But for sake of time, you're going to have your own website that you can promote products on. Okay, so that's one way to promote your stuff, and you don't have to have your own blog. There's tons of other ways to do it too. This is just one way to kind of help. You don't have to start with your own blog, but it's a good thing to have because you're going to want your own hub if you're getting into affiliate marketing and online marketing anyway. You're going to need your own websites, but you don't need to do that in product launching. So let's just say if you wanted to do, and you're going to have to do YouTube videos. So YouTube videos, free websites, and your own website. That's all you really need. So when you put your YouTube videos together, this is just this is Stealth Commissions. This is something I did a couple weeks ago. This is just one of the products out there that I was promoting. And these are the type of videos that you're going to be putting together. You know, the product, and it's mostly going to be like review sites. You know, you're doing reviews of these products. So when people search out that product, your review is going to be one of the top searches. So Stealth Commissions. 4,050 results for Stealth Commissions. Alright. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 down. Here I am for Stealth Commissions review. And I didn't even really put anything into that. I'm just wanted to see where it will land up. So out of 4,000 results, I landed into the 12th spot of a review for a product. And I didn't even do a free website with that one, so I didn't even promote that one that hard. So just to show you, if you put the work in, you are going to be successful. You know, it's just a matter of putting a little bit of work in, and these videos don't have to be that long. You know, 26 minutes. Jono puts a lot of info in his. You know, 5 minutes, 12 minutes, 14 minutes. You know, you're not creating a whole ton of stuff that you have to put into this. Now, if you do it the way I'm going to show you, you don't have to put that much detail in it. You know, it's about quality, you know, over quantity. All right, so that's what launch jacking is. You know, getting all your promotion materials together before the actual date of the product comes live, and you know, utilizing the traffic of all the hype and the buzz of all these, because people that are searching these products out, they already know that they're coming. You know, this is an industry. This is the make money online industry. This is people that are searching to make money online using these digital products. So they already know that these products are coming out there. You just want to put your stuff in front of their eyes, so when they're ready to buy one, they'll buy yours because you have, like, you put the good quality review out there with some good quality bonuses, and I'll talk more about that later. All right, so that's what launch jacking is in a nutshell. Okay, let's move on to the next videos. Where to find your products.